Welcome to Creative Bath Lab. Today I am sharing a very luxurious bath bomb that has 16 beneficial ingredients with 3 skin-loving layers. A pink nourishing layer, a green anti-aging and antioxidant rich layer, and a white moisturizing and hydrating layer. After the balm dissolves, sit back and soak in the revitalizing water. The titanium dioxide helps to make the water opaque. Now we have to make 3 skin-loving batches of mix for each layer, each with corresponding nutritious and beneficial ingredients. Each ingredient will be measured in a 1/8 cup. The pink nourishing layer includes French pink clay, which is detoxifying and cleansing. It also removes dead skin cells for refreshed and healthy skin. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a potent antioxidant that keeps skin healthy. It accelerates collagen and elastin production, which heals damaged skin and reduces the appearance of wrinkles and premature signs of aging. Pumpkin is packed with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E, and omega-3 fatty acids that support healthy skin and prevent free radical damage, while zinc and potassium combat redness. Hibiscus tea is a rich source of vitamin C which facilitates collagen production, keeping skin healthy and youthful. Natural acids purify and break down dead skin cells and increase cell turnover, keeping skin fresh and aiding in a healthy glow. Here's the white moisturizing layer. Coconut milk powder is full of vitamins like C, E, B1, B3, B5, B6, and minerals like iron, selenium, sodium, calcium, and magnesium, which all work together to promote healthy skin. Fatty acids hydrate and moisturize skin. Yogurt powder moisturizes and brightens skin for a natural glow. Colloidal oatmeal soothes and moisturizes skin. It contains vitamins, minerals, proteins, fatty acids, beta-glucans, and antioxidants, making it an amazing all-natural anti-aging treatment. The cocoa butter will be added after the wet ingredients. And here's the green anti-aging layer. Aloe vera stimulates collagen production, repairs sun damage, and slows the appearance of aging. It also moisturizes and soothes skin. Gotu Kola is an antioxidant powerhouse that boosts skin's vitality and collagen production, which keeps skin cells tight and prevents sagging. It also repairs sun damage and reduces spots, scars, and stretch marks. Spirulina is extremely rich in iron, vitamins, protein, and powerful antioxidants that keep skin healthy and prevents aging. It's high in chlorophyll, which reduces discoloration, and it also increases skin's metabolism and encourages the skin cell renewal process. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and helps skin look younger. It also moisturizes, enhances skin complexion, fights acne, and prevents skin cancers. Make sure all 3 batches have been sieved well and mixed thoroughly. For more DIY tutorials just like this, and to show my small channel some love, subscribe now. When using different fragrance oils in one bath bomb, make sure they all smell good together. I used warm scents like Cashmere Glow and Cashmere Cedar. Add wet ingredients to dry, then mix the batch thoroughly. Cocoa butter is an antioxidant powerhouse that protects skin from free radical damage and reduces signs of aging. It's also wonderful at hydrating skin and locking in moisture. Toss the butter in the mix. For the decorative salt layers, I mixed 2 different salts together. For more information on making the salts, hit the icon. Okay, so I have my 3-layer batches, decorative salts, and a 3-inch indent bath bomb mold. A 10% off discount code for the mold will be linked in the description. Quick tip, to keep the white layer white, use a designated spoon only for the white and clean the mold after each use. Add the first color and gently pack it. Add a tiny amount of salt on the very edges. After, add the next color, gently pack it, then add loose mix on top. Repeat for the other side. Smush the 2 sides together. Do small, short, quick twists to grind extra mix out and the molds as close together as possible so there aren't any gaps. You're not supposed to do this with bath bombs, but it's the best technique that I found, especially for this type of mold. Tap both sides to release the bomb. Unmold the bottom first, flip it over, then the top. Fill the bowl with a decorative and beneficial ingredient like bath pearls or salt. Make sure the salt matches the salt in the layers. You can find a video link in the description on how to make the salt. To securely package it, you'll need a shrink wrap bag and a heat gun. Gather material to the bottom and heat the top to secure the bowl's contents. Flip it over and twist the material or seal it with a machine. Then finish heating the bag. I love all bath bombs, but this one is special because it's great for skin. And hair too, actually. And you can't say that about most bath bombs. The water felt soft like velvet and smelled phenomenal. Bombs were not even close to dry. I should have let them dry at least 2 more days, but I am notoriously impatient when it comes to bath bombs. If I have them, dry or not, I'm using them. I soaked in the tub for over an hour, which is something I normally do anyways. But this time, just knowing my skin was soaking up nutritional ingredients and a healthy dose of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals was really comforting and relaxing. This tutorial demonstrates wonderful ingredients great for skin, but you don't have to buy everything to make a luxurious bath bomb at home. A few beneficial ingredients used in higher quantities will work great too. Thanks for joining me. Check out the description for the recipe, helpful notes, useful videos, and the supply list.